Hello students, I am back to continue the syllabus. Class 5, subject EVS, and today's topic is the circulatory system. Today we are going to talk about the circulatory system. The circulatory system is a combined function of the heart, blood and blood vessels in our body. Means the circulatory system is working with the help of these body parts, that are heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart, blood and blood vessels. These are helping the circulatory system to complete its task in our body. Blood vessels consist of arteries, veins and capillaries. Means inside the blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries are present. These are helping the blood vessels to complete its task. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the body. Means the working of the arteries is to carry the blood from the heart to the body. It is sending the blood to the whole body parts from taking it to the heart. Veins are carry blood to the heart. Means veins is taking the blood from the whole body parts and is carrying to the heart. Capillaries are the link between the veins and arteries. Where the places the arteries and veins are getting to exchange their work, at this place capillaries are connecting to these two. The circulatory system regulates the blood flow and body temperature. Means with the help of circulatory system, blood flow and our body temperature is also being maintained. Whatever speed the blood is flowing in our body, that is being controlled by the circulatory system. And whatever the body temperature is of us, that is also regulated by the circulatory system. We can feel our heartbeat by putting our hand on the left side of our chest. When you will put your hand at the left side of your chest, you can feel your heartbeat. Normally our heart beats 72 times in a minute. When you will count with according to the time, in 1 minute 72 times our heart normally beats. So once repeat it. Circulatory system is a combined function of heart, blood and blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the body parts. Veins carry blood to the heart. Capillaries are the links between the veins and arteries. Circulatory system regulates blood flow and body temperature. We can feel heartbeat by putting our hand on the left side of our chest. And normally our heart beats 72 times in a minute. So your today's homework is learn and write about circulatory system in EVS activity copy. Thank you.